If you've ever ruined or trashed a microphone on a cell phone after blowing compressed air to try to clean this stuff out, uh, you'll appreciate this. I saw this and I was like, oh, that's kind of a nice all-in-one kind of arrangement. Um, Although almost, but not quite. And it's kind of nice with the tools are contained and stored. I won't go into demonstration. They have videos on that. They have one slot that, let's see if I can get the light on it, is for two tools. This one is the contact on the cord itself, the charging cord itself, both sides I think, or this one that is meant to scoop out. It looks like just a fountain pen that hasn't been split, that scoops out from those little microphone holes. The also included this putty to kind of push in and clean out, some cleaner, and a brush for like some of the pods, the case for the pods, cloth, and a manual. What would be nice, I mean, it's not really, this is nice in that it's mostly self-contained, but if you're using all this other stuff, where do you put it? It'd be nice to just have it in a box of some sort, and it'd be worth a little more money to me. But overall, it has all the stuff. The biggest is that tool that digs out you just turn it around, and you can dig this out. It's not metal, so you don't have to worry about, I'm using my old phone since mine is clocked in. But it's not metal, so you don't have to worry about shorting anything out and any of that stuff. So, clever design. I think it's worth the money.